Okay. So first step, you will install the editor. You go to Google and you type Turbo C.
So I have Dave C++.
What is it? A different editor, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I have to install the same. Can you install this one? I will go over this. I
Okay,
have
sir.
yeah.
I will install this one, sir.
So download Turbo C++.
Mhm. Yes. I
Okay.
installed
Here,
it, sir.
yeah, click on Start Turbo C++.
Okay.
Okay, great. So just stay in this page, and now I'll share my screen. Can you stop sharing and you can see my screen?
Yes, I'm seeing
Yes,
yours.
you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
So we'll before we go anything into the C plus 1 second.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so before we go into the actual theory part, I'll show you one program directly. So from there we will start. So it would be easy for you to Alt Shift Enter. Okay, anytime you minimize that and come back to the desktop, if you
Okay.
want to go into the full screen mode, it will be Alt Shift and Enter.
Okay.
So first step, we go to File, New. The editor will open up, and the extension, note this extension .cpp.
Okay.
Okay, that means C++. Okay, for
Okay.
a C program, it will be just .c, or it will be C program, or C++ program. So I'll write one simple program like hello world. That's a normal. Yes, any question?
No, sir.
Okay, I'll write one hello world program. From there we'll start. You also write the program as I write. Okay, the first
Okay.
step will be include inside some angle bracket. We'll have conio.h. Okay, I'll go over every single word later, but for now, it is same like when you get a new mobile or a new phone. If I don't open the box and if I start telling you like, okay, the phone UI will be so smart, it will be very nice. So if I start telling you theories, you will be bored. If I open the phone or a new laptop or bike or whatever it is and show you, you will get a wow factor at the first step itself. Then if I start explaining you the features of the phone, it will be easy to reach your brain. Okay, the same logic. First, I will let's run one program, then we'll start the theory.
Okay.
So include conio.h. Any program will have some include statements at the top. Without this include, the program will not run. So just you have to remember that.
Okay.
We also have standard. You will need only to include iostream.h. These two things you have to remember. 99% these two only you will be importing. Rarely you will import something else. So this is the first step.
Okay.
Next step, we have to write one function. So the computer terminology might be new to you. If it is new, don't worry. Just accept as it is whatever I am telling. Slowly you will understand the meaning.
Okay.
So a function is something which will have a name followed by an open and close brace. This is
Okay.
a function. We open the flower bracket. So there are three types of brackets. This is square bracket. It is similar to square, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is a parenthesis or curved bracket.
Okay.
And this is a flower bracket. So these are the three things we will be using. These three have different purpose. The function will have a curved bracket, the parenthesis. The function body is going to have a flower bracket. So now I will write C out, which means out, which is print out. C out.
Okay.
Welcome to C++ programming. Okay. And a function should have a, okay, I will go there. Okay. Once you write a program, you have to just press the F9.
Okay.
At the bottom, if you can see, there are few help text are there.
Yes, sir.
Can you see that?
F
F1 is for help.
F2 save, F3 open.
No. My where it is? Is it visible?
Ah,
F1 is help. Alt F8 is next message.
yes, sir.
Alt F7 is previous message. Alt F9 is compile. F9 is make, and
F10.
F10 is menu.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So before we run it, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 programs opened here. Okay. No name 00. The first one you see here,
Yes,
I
sir.
am moving the mouse cursor. The second one, third program, fourth program. So this is in cascade view. If I want to see only one program, click this blue green color box you see here.
Yes, sir.
If I click this, no, cancel. No, here, I'm sorry, that is okay. If I click this, it will move up, only this will be visible. If
Okay.
you want to bring back that, you go to Windows menu. There are two options, cascade and tile. Tile view will show all the programs side by side.
Okay, sir.
Cascade view will show in the original, like what we saw. And this will show only the program which we are working now.
Okay.
Okay. Now, once this is done, the bottom, if you can see F9, that's what it is telling.
Yes, sir.
So we'll press F9. This is the message you will get whether the file is, whether the program you have written is correct or not. You can see here success, right?
Yes.
Success, press any key. Let us say I did a mistake and I have given some junk character which is not relevant. Now, if I press F9, it will tell errors.
Yes.
Press any key. If I enter, it is going to tell me what is the error. Declaration syntax error. At the bottom, you can see. If I press the down arrow and up arrow, I can move between the errors.
Okay.
As soon as I press the last line, top, the red color is highlighting.
Yes,
If I
sir.
press the top, the first line, again the red color is highlighting to the semicolon. When I hit enter, I can go inside. Okay, now we'll run this program. Okay. To see the output, we do Alt F. One second. I closed my mistake. Alt F5. Okay.
Okay.
Nothing is happening. One second. Let me F9. Did I press F9? Alt F5. Welcome to CPP programming.
Okay.
Okay. You have to compile Alt F9 and then there is warning, not an issue. Then Alt F5 to view the output. So can you try this program in your machine now? Just 5 lines of code.
So I typed for compiling all F9. Okay.
Alt F9. At the bottom you can see there is a help. Alt F9. Compile. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Alt F9. Just 1 second it will come and it will go away. One black color will come and go away. Warning will be there. Then you go to Alt F5.
Okay. All F9 is not compiling, sir.
Uh, let me stop my screen share. Can you share your screen, please?
Yes, sir. Specific, sir.
Yes. But it is very small. 1 second. Let me zoom in. Um, okay. Include Conio, include IO stream, main. Okay. What it is telling? No, the program is C. If you see there dot C, it should be dot CPP. You go to file,
Okay, sir.
new. Click on files.
It's not clicking.
Alt F work.
So I couldn't give, sir.
First letter which is highlighted in red color, right? In all the menu. F, E in edit, S in search. No, can you make it full screen? Alt,
L2.
Alt Shift Enter. Can you press Alt Shift Enter?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I'm hearing you.
In the keyboard, press Alt
Yes, sir.
Shift Enter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, just note down, just watch the top menus. Letters are in F, E, red color, right? F,
Yes.
E. So that those means those are the shortcut letters. You have to press the Alt and press that letter and that menu will open up.
Okay.
So if you want to the mouse, you don't use the mouse here. This is a DOS. So mouse might give unwanted results. It might sometime it might cause some issues. Like clicking on that arrow, you can use it, but a few times avoid using mouse. So
Okay.
click on new now. The program name should be .cpp. Click on new.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now
Okay.
you see .cpp.
Yes, sir.
Now you try it. You can go back to that program and copy and paste it. Go there. Hello.c. Yeah. Click on that. Not coming.
No.
Are you in tiles? Okay. Then no problem. Type it. No.
Okay.
Include hash. Include angle bracket. Conio. CONIO. Which means console input output. That's the full form. That's a shortcut. Okay.
Okay.
Dot head means header file. Dot h is the header file.
Okay.
Next is include IO stream input output stream dot h. In IO, input output. No, IO.
Okay.
Input output stream dot h. Now main parenthesis flower bracket C out. For C out, the two angle brackets should be pointing towards the C out.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay, just note down these things. Note down means just keep it in your memory. When I tell these things,
Okay.
welcome to whatever you want, you can type. Whatever you are typing is should be in double quotes. If you are in
Okay.
double quotes, it is in different color. So note that. No,
Okay.
no, you should not put the bracket there. Semicolon. No, no, no. Delete
Okay.
it. Semicolon.
Yes, sir.
Close the parenthesis. Flower bracket. Now run it. Alt F9.
No, sir.
Did you Alt F9?
Yes, sir. I'm pressing all the time.
No, maybe your keyboard has an different F9. Something else is because once you press Alt F9, the pop-up should come. The compiler should start. Is it is your keyboard having an function key? So Alt function F9 or just press F9.
Yes, sir. It's not coming, sir.
Then you go to the menu, click on compile and click on compile.
Yes, sir. It's control. Yes. It's not running.
Okay, click enter.
Yes,
Maybe
sir.
some keyboard issue. Okay, there is some
Error.
error. Yeah, what is that? Click enter. After the last, okay, what it is telling
The double quotes.
conio.h, iostream.h, undefined symbol C out. Function should return a value. Okay, you go to that after the CPP, after this current line, give an enter,
Yes, sir.
go to the end.
Yes.
You have given include. It should be include.
Uh,
Okay, now try. Alt F9 now.
yes, sir. I'm listening.
Or you go to compile menu and try. Is there any issue in your keyboard?
No, sir.
You can use enter to select.
Warning.
Okay, warning only. Enter. Function should return a value. Okay, no problem. Now you give control F9.
Yes, sir.
Uh, okay, the shortcuts are not working, right? Then you have to go to compile. No, run. Okay, go to Windows, and there is something as user screen. Go there. That is Alt F5.
Alt F1. Zoom.
Last but one. You see the user screen.
Yes, sir.
Go there. You should see the output.
Output is on display, sir.
Why is your like keyboard behaving strangely? Uh, can you click enter?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll request a control. Can you give me control?
Yes, sir.
I'll try to. Have you given me control?
Yes, sir. I gave you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So Alt from my keyboard it is working. Alt F5. Okay, Alt F5. No, it didn't work. Can you close this window by clicking on that square?
This one, sir.
This one, this current. No, click on that square. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, I'm not able to take control of your screen. Can you try closing this file 95b2dub.c?
Yes, sir. I'm keeping the square.
Now, can you go to file and see if there is a close? Okay, only quit is there. In window, can you go to window?
Yes, sir.
Close. Okay, now it is closed. No, I am not able to take control. So what we do? Click on the start mouse keyboard option. Alt window, Alt W.
The main bracket of
I gave control F9 and it is working. See, I'm giving control F9 now. See here, The output came. This many times I ran. Maybe after like today's session, can you see uh, what is wrong in your keyboard?
Okay.
Okay,
I
so is it working for you also now? Control F9 and Alt F5. Control F9 is to run.
yes, then all test working.
Working, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, give Alt F5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, enter. Change the text now. Okay, Control F. No, Control F9 is updated. Came.
No, sir.
No, can you Control F9?
Yes, sir.
Enter. Control F9.
Yes, sir.
No, it will be in compile. Run. Alt R. Alt R.
Yes, sir. Open this. Open this.
No. Alt R. Run. You have to go to the run menu. I think you pressed Windows R.
Yes, sir. Yes. Now I'm doing alt R.
I guess your keyboard Alt and function keys have some issue. Are you not able to click the run?
No, sir.
No. Can you stop your screen and try? Maybe is that causing issue? I'll
I
share my screen. Yeah.
can stop it.
Is it working?
No, sir. I'm closing and reopening. Sir.
Yeah. Close and yeah, reopen, please. Because compiling, running, and viewing the output, these are very important, and for every program you have to do this. So we have to ensure that this is working fine. What happened?
I'm typing.
Can you share your screen if possible?
Okay.
The issue?
Sir, I don't clearly, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so the Alt F9, Control F9, and Alt F5. These three are working, right? So when
Yes,
you
sir.
do any changes to the program, to compile it, Alt F9, to run it, Control F9, and to
Okay.
view the output, it is Alt F5.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll share back the screen. So Alt Shift Enter is full screen. Okay, you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the first we just wrote a first C++ program. The first few lines will have the inputs that is given in as a syntax include conio
Include.
dot. Yeah, so this means we are going to take help of some external files which is there in the hard disk. So
Okay.
if I go to the hard disk wherever the C++ is installed, I go to include. This is the folder name I'm calling in the program.
Okay.
Okay, include what conio.h. Here it is, conio.h. Okay,
Yes.
and I am calling
Okay.
iostream.h. Do I have a file like that?
Yes, sir.
Here it is. So these are the different files which are provided inbuilt by C++. We have around 48 minus 1, 47 files.
Okay.
So any program you write, you will be taking help of these files only. Let us open up any of these files, conio.h, and see what it is. I'll open in Notepad. Okay. They have written some program. Some codes are there which we don't understand what it is. Okay, something is there. So this is uh, this is an internal file which will be referenced by the binaries or the program when it is running. So from this include conio.h, what are we using? Let's say I remove this line. I remove this line and I am having just main.
Name.
Anytime if you are not following, please stop me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Even if you ask the same question again and again, not an issue. But before we finish off this training complete session, I want you to be master of this.
Okay.
So you can ask me any questions any number of times.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So if I don't give any include and I'm going to do a compilation, it is going to give me error. You can
And
ignore the Alt F9. You can give directly Control F9 also. As you start using the program, only two will be required: Control F9, Alt F5.
okay, sir.
Okay. So what it is telling, undefined symbol C out, which means the C++ is not able to understand what you are telling. So for this, we do the import. It is like if I am going to, if I am telling you, please switch on the mic. What will you do? You will switch on the mic,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
how are you doing? Because we both talk in the same language. When I tell please, you know that I am requesting something. When I tell switch on, you know that you have to do some, you have to turn on something. When I
Mic.
tell mic, you know that, okay, I'm asking you to turn on the mic. That's a common language. Instead of that, if I tell in some different language which you don't know, okay, let's say some junk word I'm telling, like kachamukacheko, something if I tell, you
Yes,
will
sir.
not know what it is, because in your brain, that that word
Language.
itself is not registered.
Yes, sir.
So the same way,